welcome to another video. So who is ready to see Madam Glam's new May collection? So the name of this collection is called House of Life. It's made up of 8 gorgeous bright shades. This is definitely my favourite collection so far this year. So the 4 that I've chosen this month are Taurus Season, Inner Peace, Crystal Ball and Mama Bear. So I'm going to get them all swatched first so we can take a look at the colours. I've already got my swatch sticks already labelled, ready to go. Very organised today. And usually, guys, I have not got a clue what kind of design, what I want to do until I've actually swatched them and seen the colours in front of me. But I have actually got an idea of what I want to do today. Very organised for me. So you get 15ml, they're in glass bottles, you've got your name on the bottom and you've got your colour in the lid, which I really like. These are amazing quality gel polishes, guys. They're vegan, cruelty free, 21 free formula, palm oil free and hema free. You've got your ingredients there on the back. They cure in 30 seconds in an LED light and 2 minutes in a UV light. So let's get some swatching done. Ooh, this is a nice colour. And because Madam Glam gels are just so pigmented and creamy, they're really nice to use for nail art as well. Ooh, I like that. So that one's Inner Peace. Next one is Mama Bear. Ooh, that's a nice colour. It's a really pretty blue. I like that. Beautiful colour. Then we've got Crystal Ball. Ooh, yeah, this looks a nice one. I like this. That one. That's probably going to be my favourite. Beautiful. And then lastly we've got Taurus Season. Oh wow, look at that one. Right, I think I've changed my mind. I think this is probably my favourite. Oh wow, that is a stunning colour. Really, really like that. Beautiful. So I'm going to give them all a cure and then I'm going to give them a top coat and then we'll come back in and take a look at them. So that is all the swatches. How pretty are those? They're really, really nice colours, aren't they? I love this Crystal Ball. That's probably my favourite. I do like that Taurus Season as well, but I think Crystal Ball's probably my favourite one out of all of them. Some beautiful colours there, isn't there? So that's all the swatches done. Now I want to do a design that I saw on Instagram. So I've pulled out my tips. We're all ready to go. I'm going to start off by giving all 5 tips a coat of Madam Glam's From Finland with Love, which is a really pretty off-white with a slight hint of pink to it. And I'm going to give all 5 tips a coat of that. I'll just show you me doing a couple of the nails and then I shall do the rest off camera because they're all the exact same. Give that a cure. So I've pulled my palette out and I'm going to pop a little bit of all 4 colours on my palette. Just like that. Right guys, change of plan. Change of plan. I just tried to do the design what I wanted to do and yeah, it's very fiddly. The design that I want to do really was going to have to be done with pigments. It's going to be hard to do it with individual colours. So I will do that design another day using pigments. So I'm now going to give them all a coat of Madam Glam's Velvet Matte Top Coat. Pulled out my Dibber Dobberer and I'm going to do an ombre. Just like that. And I'm going to give that a cure and then I shall give that a second coat off camera. And then on the pinky we're going to do the blue. That cure. So that's where we've got to so far. We've got all the different colour ombres on the tips. Now I'm going to use the corresponding colours and I'm going to paint some flames. So I've pulled out my Madam Glam striping brush. So now I'm going to paint the flame.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, and on.
Then I'm not going to cure that, because into that uncured gel polish, I'm going to sprinkle some clear acrylic. That's going to give it that like embossed look. So can you see there's still the odd little shiny patch? So I'm just going to go over that again. And you can just keep doing this over and over until there's no more shiny patches left at all. You can't over sprinkle it, but you can under sprinkle it, if that makes sense. Like that. And then I'm going to pop that in the lamp to cure. I'm going to give that a double cure, guys, so I'm going to cure that for 60 seconds. So I'm just going to show you me doing one more of these flames, and then I shall do the other two off camera, because it's the exact same process. And then we'll have a look at the finished design.
Turn us to thousands.
So that's them all finished, guys. What do you think? I'm not so sure, you know. I am not so sure. See, Honey Phan's design, she put a little 3D flower, the corresponding colours of a 3D flower on each of these flames, just in that middle bit there. But hers was all like very equal. Her flames was all like pretty much identical, where mine are all a little bit different, so I think it's going to look a bit odd on my design. I could maybe put a crystal or something there, like a pink crystal, an orange crystal, green and a blue. But it's not really about the design this set, it's more about showing you what the gel polishes are like to use for nail art. So yeah, if it was more about the design, I probably would have a little play at blinging them up, but yeah. They're not my favourite set I've ever done, definitely not, by far. By far, they didn't quite go to plan. In fact, it all went wrong when the original design I wanted to do just would not work out. So, kind of all went wrong from there really, didn't it? But hey ho. And if we don't do these designs that we don't really like, we're never going to improve. We're never going to switch things up and try different things, are we? So yeah, sometimes you have to do these designs that you're not really happy with. Anyway, enough about these nails. Let's have a look at these gorgeous swatches again one more time. So we've got Mama Bear, Crystal Ball, Taurus Season, and Inner Peace. I really, really like those. Especially like this Crystal Ball. Beautiful colour that is. Really, really like them. So there we are, guys. That is everything for today's video. So that is a few of Madam Glam's new May collection colours. There's another 4 other colours as well. I shall pop a picture on the screen now in the bottom left hand corner of all the colours in this month's collection. I have got a 30% off discount code for Madam Glam as well, guys, which is GG30. I shall pin that in my comments along with the link to the website if anyone wants to head over there and treat themselves. I hope you all enjoyed the video. If you did, please remember to give it a thumbs up. Even if you think the nails are pants, like I do, please just give it a thumbs up. If you're not already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. And I hope to see you in the next one. Take care.